Hi guys, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian, author, YouTube host, and the face behind The Happiest Nutritionist. And I'm here to answer your questions. To buy or not to buy organic? That is the question. Foods that are USDA organic do not contain any traces of GMOs, synthetic chemicals, or pesticide residues, while those that are conventionally grown may. The verdict is still out that eating organic 100% of the time will ensure longevity and improve health. However, foods are most definitely better and more sustainable for the environment than conventionally grown or farmed foods. When it comes to fruits and veggies, check out the Environmental Workers Group Annual Shopper's Guide. Based on produce samples tested for pesticides, the EWG creates the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 each year as suggestions on what to purchase organic versus conventional. For instance, this year, the 3 topping the Dirty Dozen list are strawberries, kale, and spinach. And the top 3 on the Clean 15 are avocados, sweet corn, and pineapples. These 2 lists are simple guides to help you shop for produce. So, at the end of the day, eating produce of any kind, organic or not, is nutritionally beneficial for you. There is a far greater risk in not eating any fruits and vegetables than possible risks associated with pesticide residue. When push comes to shove, make the best decision for you and your family. Read labels on packaged foods, and remember to get in your daily dose of colorful fruits and veggies.